Hello world. Welcome to the Introduction to Python Programming video tutorial by Data Science Academy. In this video tutorial, we will be learning more about string manipulation. Please make sure that you have watched the previous videos in this series, so that this video is easier to follow. Have fun programming in bits. As a general guideline, we ask you to pause the video while you are trying the commands in your idle. A screenshot with the output of the commands will usually follow. This will be the approach of asking you to try the commands yourself and comparing the results. If you are getting similar outputs, you can continue playing the video tutorial. If you are having trouble getting similar output, please contact us or leave a comment behind. Let us start by refreshing our memories of what we have learned so far about data types in Python. Data is stored and interpreted in Python as follows: numbers, strings, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. We will focus on learning about string manipulations in this video. The built-in function, find, provides the index of the first instance of the substring. Let us assign the string, prevention is better than cure, to the variable, wisdom. We will use this as the example for trying out the function, find. This can be illustrated with the following examples. The substring, better, starts at the 14th index position of the variable, wisdom. In the second example, the substring, medicine, is not part of the variable, wisdom. Thus, Python gives an output of -1, indicating that the search string is not present. The built-in function, count, counts the number of occurrences of the substring. Here, in this example, we can see that the letter, E, occurs 5 times in the string, prevention is better than cure. Whereas, the character, space, occurs 4 times. Let us learn about splitting a string in Python. We can use the built-in function, split, to split the strings using a delimiter. To illustrate this using an example, the string, prevention is better than cure, can be split using space as the delimiter. We can have any choice of delimiter, based on our needs. What would you use to split the variables, fruits, and address, in the examples above? As seen in the output above, we have used comma to split the variable, fruits. And we have used a period or full stop to split the variable, address. Let us learn another way of manipulating strings. Here, we will change the case of strings. As an example, let us assign the string, hello world, to the variable, DSA. With the function, upper, the entire string is changed to uppercase, that is, to all capital letters. The function, lower, changes the entire string to lowercase. Pause the video here, and try the code by yourself. Does your output look similar to the output here? More ways of changing the case of strings includes converting the string to title case, using the function, title. If we need to change only the first letter of a string to uppercase, we can use the function, capitalize. The function, swapcase, simply flips the case, that is, from lowercase to uppercase or vice versa. Why not try the code by yourself? Did you get a similar output? The function, title, changed both first letters of the string to uppercase. Whereas, capitalize, only changed the first letter of the string to uppercase. Swapcase, in this example, changed all the lowercase letters of the string to uppercase. Play around with different strings to understand the specific application of these string manipulations. When we need to remove specific characters from a string, the strip function is used. Without any argument specified, the strip function removes whitespaces by default. Lstrip function removes leading characters, whereas our strip function removes trailing characters. As an illustrative example, let us assign the string underscore money space python underscore to a variable called password. The function, strip, specified with the argument, underscore, removes all underscores. On the other hand, lstrip removes underscores on the left side of the string. And rstrip removes underscores on the right side of the string. An interesting way of manipulating strings is possible with the function join. This function inserts the specified character in between each character of the given string. The output is a string delimited by the specified character. Here, we are inserting the characters colon in the first example and $sign in the second example. What do you think the output strings would look like? Did you get a similar output? Interesting function to manipulate strings, don't you think so too? When there is a need to reverse strings, Python has a couple of nifty tricks to do that. We can use the syntax, word of, ::, -1, within square brackets. This reverses the string. Combining this with the join function, and specifying a delimiter, in this case, an asterisk, will result in an interesting output. Pause the video here, and try it in your idle. Did you get such reversed output too? Think of ways how this function can be a useful addition to a programmer's toolbox. So far, we have learned a few representative examples of the many string manipulations available in Python. After assigning a string to a variable, the entire suite of string manipulations can be seen by pressing the Tab key of your keyboard. After this, the desired function can be chosen by moving the arrow keys. Why don't you try this out in your idle shell interface? This concludes the video tutorial about strings and string manipulations. We hope that you learned something new today. Practice what you learned today. And see you soon in the next video of this Python programming series. In the next video, we will learn about lists in Python. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.